There you go. Beautiful, babe. Yes! Look, babe, I've got my favorite coaching hat on. My free Argentinian soccer jersey from last year here. Why here? I have no idea, but man, she's dropping. Got an hour before she's on dead low tide. So, what a beautiful day right now. Yeah, she's a little toasty to be putting on a Jane, but a little bit of protection. Da, 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 da. Nice morning. Get her out on the longboard again. She's getting there. Just the last few days been pretty big. It's been kind of messy in here with a weird south swell and west coming in, changing for the next few days. So she hasn't had a good couple of days trying to continue on practicing out here. So I'll see if we can get a little bit in this morning before we go get our chores done. Andale. Ooh. Ooh. The shoulder's good. Paddle, babe. Ooh, there we go. Those are pretty. There you go. Beautiful, babe. Woo! All right. Looks like we're getting down to almost dead low tide here right now. Not the best session. Just got up a few times. So we're gonna call it. Come back out later once it starts coming back up this afternoon. Keep playing around. It's just weird with these two swells coming in right now the last few days, kind of causing this mess right here. So trying to get anything on the outside. Still, oh, bagpipes is firing way out. Look at it, boom. That apparently is called bagpipes. No idea why. The guys here have been calling it, not a clue. It's big, surfed it last year. You can tow into it for sure. It's a paddle to get out there. There's a couple boils, a reef. It's a tricky spot to get out to. And it's a long paddle on a big board. But it's fun. Whoop. Nice little grinder. Nice one behind. There's still some tasty little waves out here. It's just, it's really shallow and very dangerous. There we go, babe. Pelican, fly, pelican, fly. Oh my God, that wave just rolled right in. That wave come from behind the other one and just smoked it. It's all good, babe. We can go in. Look at that. Wow. Babe, you can come back out in a bit when it's coming back up on tide. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do you see bagpipes is firing? That's crazy. Look at that out there. This is the swell that's coming in. Like you can see it barreling over. Look at that. Boom! I do wish I had my drone here. I gotta figure out how I can get a drone here. I don't want to bring my good one from home because I don't want to take it apart. As mechanically inclined as I am, I really don't want to tinker with taking a drone apart. So I might just see if I can find one cheap somewhere down here, or have it possibly shipped down here. So it is here, but I still don't think I can. Some people do have them here and they get them in, but some countries just don't allow it, and I get it. And I really don't want to be a jerk and lose my privilege for coming in and out of the country because of a stupid drone. So, be nice though. Wishful thinking, right? All good, let's go make some coffee. Make some coffee, make some food, and get the day started. Oh, you can have a siesta too. Make sure to watch some more videos. Hit that like and subscribe. We'll see you in a bit. Dot, 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 dot. Steve, you're not home. Oh, the sun is setting. Oh. Yeah, yeah. Casa surfing. I think we need to knock some of that back, Steve. Can't see anything from here. Hey, Steve, we need to clear this out right here. Let's open her up. I'm gonna go and get a little better shot of it. Yeah, put the gate back. We don't need the horses in here eating Tony's grass. Oh wow, these colors are going to be crazy. Put your feet.
Woo, get it.
Get it, get it. Oh, look at this. You can't even see Port Sandino right now. Look at that. Woo. We are in for another rainstorm like last night.
You know what that is in Spanish?
What?
Cheers?
No, I have no idea. That's it. It's the end of the stay. We've come to the end. We'll get a surf in the morning, and then we're off to Managua, and then we fly home. It's a quick 10 days, but...
Yeah. Get the crabs. Oh, you... Yeah, you have that. You got it.
What? What? Beautiful.
He would be a great dog for agility. Would he like to go through your legs all
Yep.
the time?
Oh, he'd be perfect for one of those dogs that does the up and down and all around, all those crazy runs.
Wow.
Yeah, that is angry.
That is like, I need to get my dog.
And it's coming this way.
But it's open this way.
And then you come over here, and it's beautiful. Oh.
Have it.
Ah! Oh.
Woo! That was amazing!
Oh, big lightning. We're like surrounded by it right now. Oh, watch out, Perro. All right, well, we're gonna sit here for a minute on the rancho, and we're gonna see what happens. Hopefully I shouldn't have left my doors open. Shouldn't have left my doors open, but... Awesome. I love this place. And there's not a soul to be found. Say adios. See you when we come down again. I'll see you when you come down again. Hi. Hello.